Stop by and take a look at the 2022 Odyssey. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, remote engine start, active grille shutters, stability control, power brakes, braking assist, ambient lighting, traction control. Inside you'll find leather trim seats, airbags, front knee, audio, internet radio, Pandora, audio radio, touchscreen display, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, audio, rear, capless fuel filler system, audio, speed-sensitive volume control, footwell lights.
With Honda certified pre-owned vehicles, you know you're going to be taken care of. Thorough inspections, both limited and powertrain warranties, all provide the comfort you're looking for in a pre-owned vehicle. Stop by your local Honda dealer today to see why the Honda certified program is worth looking into.